My name is Jaja Santiago, middle blocker. My favorite food here in Japan is first ramen. Second is chicken karaage and natto because it's more protein. I think it's just be yourself and keep moving forward. I'm addicted to actually use my phone every day or watching Netflix every day, watching Korean dramas, Filipino dramas. Of course, I want to show everyone an inspiration play every game and the leadership and the hard work inside the court, and also of course from the skills is the attacking and blockings. Minasan konnichiwa. I would like to thank everyone who supported us at Geomedics last season, and now we're inviting you guys to watch and support the Geomedics even though there is pandemic now, and please support us and watch us via online broadcasting, and hopefully everyone is stay motivated and inspired this season. Thank you.